All right, guys, so now we're gonna do the license plate. As you guys can tell, we already did one side. It's fairly easy, so I recommend you do both at the same time. This side has a little bit of harder to get to due to the wiring not being as exposed, but as long as you take your time, you do both at the same time, you should have easy access. So one thing I want to show you guys is that these don't have that much room. So you have to kind of bring it through there. Once you do that, or sorry, let me start from the beginning. To remove these, you have to remove 2 Phillips screws that are held in. Just remove them out and you guys will take the whole assembly out. Once you do that, you're just gonna remove it like that. If the bulb's been on like this one is, it will be hot. So if you're not as heat resistant as here, you may want to turn them off or use something to pop them off. Luckily, there's tricks to all this, and we know them already from doing thousands of vehicles. But you're gonna get your T10 bulb, all right? And you're just gonna pop it in. Once that's done, you're gonna get your housing again, put it back in. There you go, that's the line. Now we're gonna twist it in, there we go. When it's in, you take it out of that particular slot and back into the housing. You're gonna get the 2 Phillips screws that you took out, which I have here now, and you're gonna put them back in. All right. Make sure the threads are going in like that, went in smooth. Now we turn in. I'll do this side over here. There we go. So right now, we're gonna do a little more tight to make sure they're fully flushed in. Once that's done, we're done, and we're gonna proceed to the next one.